Hello, this is a video to show how to make rubber material in Blender. This is a scene we made in the last video. We made the rough plastic material with grainy texture. We can find this video in this channel. Now to make the rubber material, I switch to material preview first. And then we can go to shader editor. I will base on this rough plastic material to add a new material. I will name it rubber. To make the material looking soft, we can increase the roughness. I will use 0.5. And then I'd like to make the texture more fine. We can adjust the size of the noise texture. I will use 500 in the scale. In the unlock, the distance I will use 0.01. The rubber material has been done. The three main factors to define this rubber material are roughness, the values in bump node, and the values in noise texture node. Now we can go to render preview to preview the texture. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.